This solution requires JD-110 wireless transmitter, JD-210 cord, JD-120 disengaging key, and RX-100 TCPIP receiver. When elderly need assistance from caregiver, they can easily press the nurse button on JD-110 to call for nurse. RX-100 TCPIP receiver is connected to the internet modem. When JD-110 transmits message to RX-100 TCPIP receiver, it will transfer these messages to the server via TCPIP. As you can see, receive time, room number, name of the person, status. When nurse provided their service, and nurse can cancel the message by using JD-120 disengaging key. The message is cancelled from the status.